Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we will be making this paper pumpkin card, although I'll probably change a few things. Anyway, let's get started. We are going to use our Stamparatus to stamp the Santa outline on the Santa die cut. And the way I found is see his little nose. So line up that with this little nose circle, and then this line here with the red bottom of his hat. Now let's see how well I can do it without my face right in front of it. Okay, hopefully that's good. And we are going to use Memento ink. Although Early Espresso, came in the kit, I just didn't like the look of the dark brown and preferred the black. And perfect. Now we will leave this on the sheet until we need it, otherwise there's a good chance we'll lose it. Alright. Oh, I guess we need to stamp the Christmas too, so we will do that. Move this stamp to the front so I can clean it and put it away when I'm done. And we'll be using these little thin, and they're just so much easier to stamp when they're attached to the sheet still. And most important part is make sure the flat part is on the top. And we'll be using Neil Red ink for this. And we'll probably have to stamp this one a couple of times, which is another advantage of the Stamparatus, is it'll line up the exact same way. Okay, there we go. And we'll leave this attached to the sheet until we're ready for it. Now, unlike the directions, I'm choosing the light blue card base. And I probably use way more Stampin' Dimensionals than they recommend. Will one of these fit in the corner? Just barely. Well, okay, we'll just trim off that little bit extra. And keep adding our dimensionals. I might do one first too. Okay, we will go ahead and center this on our card base. And we'll punch out one of our large snowflakes. Yeah, just make sure and hold on to the thin part so you don't break off the whole end of the snowflake. And I like tweaking things. And we'll punch out one of these Marys. And a banner. And here's our Christmas. So we'll put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of our Santa Claus. Now if you have minis, they'll fit pretty well right there. So, and I'm using glue to attach the Mary. To me it's easier than glue dots. Just make sure it's a really thin line, and if it ends up being puffy, spread it around. And put a couple of Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of this. Well, by a couple I mean 4. And I think I like it better straight. And we'll add a glue dot to the center back of our snowflake. I guess it pokes off, but I wonder if we can peel it off. Let's see. There we go, and here's our paper pumpkin card with a few tweaks as always. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my newsletter at www.nindiescreativecorner.com. There will be a link in the description below. And Merry Christmas card making. Bye.